Hey, hi guys, this is the Arpita Tulsyan here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Yes. Okay, so here I am to discuss about the 10th edition books for CA Final Law, which is applicable for the upcoming May 2023 examinations. Yes. So this is our 10th edition. Again, first of all, I'll just explain you the structure of the book, what all we are providing along with the books. Entire book is divided into 4 volumes. Yes, volume 1, I'll just show it to you. This is your volume 1. Volume 1 is your content book. Okay, this is your content book for company law. Next comes your volume 2, which is the content book of economic laws. Okay, economic laws and your securities law, that is your SEBI. Then after that, we have got, this time what we have done is volume 3 is a book which contains all the subjective question answers. Okay, all the subjective descriptive question answers are covered at one place for both company law as well as your economic laws and everything. Right, and then last but not the least is your volume 4, which is your MCQ book. This contains all the types of MCQs, one-liner MCQs, case study based MCQs for both company law as well as your economic laws. Right, so this way we have divided the volumes. Okay, first 2 volumes are your content, volume 3 is your subjective question answer book, and volume 4 is your MCQ book. Right. Okay, so ma'am, now what is covered, what all things are covered in this particular book? So when I talk about volume 1 and volume 2, it contains entire content, okay, which is there for your exams, which is very, very relevant from your exam point of view. And ma'am, then how about the amendments and all? So yes, all the amendments till 31st October 2022. Okay, 31st October 2022, which is the cutoff date for your May 23 examinations. All the relevant amendments have been covered till there. Okay. Suppose if ICI does any plus minus in those amendments in its RTP, then in that case, I will come up with a notification. Okay. But till then, you can simply follow the book. This is about your content book. Acha, in the content book also, I'll just show you the glimpse also. In the content book, we have covered it chapter wise. Yes, 4 colors are used in the book: blue, black, green and red. Red indicating the important things, green indicating the amendments, so that you'll come to know, acha, this is the amendment, so we have to focus a little more on it. And headings are covered in black, content is covered in blue. Okay, this is how we have done it. I'll just show you the glimpse of a content book, everyone here. So yes, this is your, see here it's written, this is your volume 1, 10th edition, and this is the content book for company law. This is your first volume, applicable for your May 23 examinations, right? Amendments are covered, as I've told you, amendments are covered till 31st October 2022, which is your cutoff date. Yes. Then I have also provided the marks distribution chapter wise, right? And that is provided till the November 22 examinations, the latest one, right? Indexing has been done, and yes, from here your content starts. Yes, so now this is the first chapter. As you can see here, important things or keywords are covered in red here. Acha, besides every particular section I have written, I have given the reference to the subjective question answers, which you'll find in your volume number 3, right? So that suppose if you want to refer all questions on this particular section, you can refer these question numbers in your subjective book, and accordingly diagrammatic representations etc. have been done, so that it becomes easy for you to remember and revise. Yes, this is how this particular chapter has been done. And yes, one more thing, for your simplicity, at the end of every chapter, we have got summary of all the important penalties, punishments which are there. Some form numbers which are there in some chapters, we have given a summary of that also. Then after that, at the end of every chapter, okay, as you can see here, at the end of every chapter, we have covered the revision. Okay, revision is given at the end of every chapter, which contains, obviously, since it is a revision, since it is a super quick revision, important contents from exam point of view have been covered in these particular tables. And yes, at the end of every chapter, you have got this one blank page where you can write anything for your reference, whatever you want to write. And after that, the next chapter starts. Okay, so this is basically the way in which we have prepared this particular book. This is about your content book. Now, similarly, your volume 1, which is the content book for company law, and volume 2, which is the content book for economic laws and securities law, that has been prepared. Same manner, okay, same manner. Same efforts have been put for both company law as well as the economic laws and securities law. Now going on to the subjective question answers book, that is your volume 3. I have, trust me, I have put my heart into it while making it. Now coverage point of view, okay, coverage point of view, subjective question answers book as well as your MCQ book, it covers all resources given by your ICI or released by your ICI. Okay, all questions, everyone here, all questions from your module, all questions from your past RTPs, past mock papers, past exam papers. A case study question bank was released by the ICI from there. And everything till your November 22 examination, even the November 22 exam paper, even those questions are included in this particular question bank. So everything, if you are referring this book, then everything till November 22 examinations have been covered. Yes, obviously, the RTP which will be released now for May 23, the mock papers which will be released now for May 23, that has to be done in addition because that is not yet released. So I cannot put it. But everything till there has been covered. Okay, I have tried my level best that duplicate questions are eliminated. I have tried my level best. Human error might exist. Yes, answer, the language of ICAI has been retained in the answer because ultimately that is the thing for which you're going to get the marks. Yes, reference of every question number has been given in the theory. So cross-linking can be done from the question answers book also and as well as from your content book also. So you will find it very, very simple while referring this particular book, because if you do a particular chapter, okay, if you start learning a particular chapter from the content book, you can simultaneously go and do the question answers. You can go and do the MCQs of that particular chapter, and you can wind it up by revising it from the revision charts. Yes, answers have been amended also. Whatever amendments are applicable for your May 23 exams, answers in the question bank, in both subjective question bank and MCQs, answers have been amended there. Okay, so all you have to do is what? All you have to do is refer the content from the volume 1 and volume 2. Go to the question answers. First do the subjective question answers from volume 3, then do the MCQs in volume 4. Done, done. Very clear with this, everyone? Yes. Okay, I'll just show you the glimpse of subjective question book also. Okay, so as you can see, yes, this is your subjective question book, which is your volume 3, like I told you. I'll just show you the this coverage. 711 questions, 711 plus questions are covered in this particular volume 3. Yes, all see your exam questions from May 13. I've taken it from the old course also, relevant chapters obviously. Till November 22 exam, mock papers till October 22 series, RTP till November 22, all questions from ICI question bank, all questions from ICI study material, case scenarios and MCQs released by the ICI Jan 22 edition. Everything has been covered, all answers have been amended as per the amendments till 31st October 2020. Everything has been done. Yes, and I'll just show you how does it look like. Yes, so this way we have got it in the landscape format. I'll just show it to you, everyone. Here, as you can see it on the board also, plus I can show it to you here also. Okay, so this way it has been covered. Yes. And see, as you can see here, this is question number 1. This has been asked in so many places. So I have combined all the years together and then the question has been put up there. So that duplication is avoided. And also you will come to know how important that question is or how many times the question has been repeated. Question is there. Below that you will find the answers coming, as you can see here. Yes, this has been done for both company law, economic law, securities law. Very clear with this? Yes. Acha. And then besides the question, as per me, I have marked the important questions also, which students generally ask before the exams. Ma'am, tell me at least which questions we are supposed to do. So these, as you can see here, must do question has been marked. Okay. But yes, obviously, ma'am, can we just do the must do questions? Answer is no. Okay. This is for the last minute revision. That during your last minute revision, make sure that you cover at least these questions. But for first reading, you have to do everything. Very clear with this? Okay, acha. Now I'll show you the MCQ book also, everyone. So yes, this is your MCQ book, which is your volume number 4. And a similar coverage is there here also. And then yes, this is how the MCQs are covered. Okay, question again in the landscape format we have got question is there, and then below that particular page you have got the answers also, right? And again this has been carried forward for the entire syllabus. And then you will find the case study based MCQs also. Can you see here? Like this is a question on 2 chapters combined together. So I have given that heading, and then even the case study based MCQs are covered in your book. Everything has been covered there. Don't worry about the coverage at all. Yes. So this is how your book has been made. Everything has been covered. Now, so ma'am, how do we do our preparation? Okay, first option is, suppose if you have made up your mind that you're going to do your self-study, no worries in that also. If you're going to use this book, okay, if you're using this 10th edition book, you can order these books. As I've already told you, you can refer the content from the content book first, then go to the subjective question book, then go to the MCQ. This is how you can cover it. This is one way. Another way, ma'am, if I want to take up the lectures, okay, then we have got the lectures also, both English language also and Hindi plus English language also. Ma'am, I have sufficient time available as per my schedule. So ma'am, I would like to go with the full-fledged lectures. You can go with the full-fledged lectures. No worries, full-fledged lectures are available. Ma'am, I'm running short of time. I just want to have a quick overview of the content, of the concepts. Then ma'am, do you have fast track lectures available? Answer is yes, we have got fast track lectures also available. Okay, so book is there with you, full-fledged lectures along with question answer discussion is there with you. Then your fast track lectures are there with you. Acha ma'am, after this, if I want to go with some test series for law, we have got the test series also. Each and every detail is provided on the website. Okay, so all resources or all ways out is available with us. Now all you need to do is prepare your mind that how are you supposed to do the preparation, whatever you have planned for your studies for May 23 examination. Accordingly, each and everything is available with us. Yes, you need not worry about the amendments. If something extra is also notified by the ICI, I am there. I'll be providing you with those amendments either in notes form or in lectures form, whatever it is. But I will notify to you about the same. Yes. So, if at all, if you have not purchased the books and if you are willing to purchase this particular book, then yes, the books are available on our website. That is arpitatulsyan.com, as you already know. I'll be providing the links in the description box also for the books, for the lectures, for the test series. You can take the books. Books are readily available with us. And for any, if suppose after taking books or lectures, whatever it is, if you face any issues in any particular concept, if you need to get them solved or if you have any doubts while studying, then on our website itself, we have got the doubt solving portal. You can come there, you can post your doubts and we will solve it. Yes. So if at all you wish to purchase the books are available on this website, arpitatulsyan.com. You can take those. And for the lectures are also available on the same website. For doubt solving also, you have to go to the same website. For test series also, you have to go to the same website. Yes, and I hope with this particular book, the minimum target which I keep for my students is exemption. I hope you utilize the resource, you utilize this particular book in the best possible manner and gift me an exemption in return. Yes, so this is all I expect from you. Thank you for showering your love on me as always since so many years. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.